Commuters are bracing for a massive disruption in the transport sector tomorrow as taxi operators island-wide have signaled their intention to stay off the job. They are calling for the government to grant them a traffic ticket amnesty. Up to news time, heads of several bus and taxi associations were locked in a meeting discussing the matter. In September, transport operators staged a massive protest in Halfway Tree St. Andrew to call for a traffic ticket amnesty. Promises were made, but their calls are yet to be addressed. However, a member of the One Voice Transport Association, Tigana Madden, says they are yet to hear from the government about an amnesty.
Main reason for the strike, we need an amnesty because there are persons out there who are willing to pay, but they cannot find all the money at once. So if you could give them an amnesty over a period of time, and when you give them that amnesty over a period of time, then we can come to you. You will see where it's benefiting you. It is benefiting us as a country because within this time period, you can see how many hundreds of millions, closer to $1 billion that you have collected. And we are sure that this will happen. They have gone and give a gun amnesty and they have not recovered one gun since. So if they give us an amnesty, it will be able to benefit the country financially.
Mr. Madden says the demonstrations are expected to be peaceful.
No, what we're doing, we are going to let our voices be heard peacefully. We're doing, just like the other day, we had a peaceful demonstration, but there is a but. There is a lot of persons out there who drive their private vehicles who we as operators have no control over. We cannot control them because there are a lot of persons out there who have unpaid tickets